What's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is February the 12th. We are out here in Braselton, Georgia. This is the residence of Mrs. Terry, and I just met her husband, Donald. I came out here a few weeks ago, did an in-home consultation. We got 704 square feet of wood floor, wax removal, screen, recoat, UV cure, and doing her granite countertops. I also have one of my students here, Al. He's from the DMV area. He's been under my mentorship for the last month. So he reached out, he joined my private group. Now he's out here doing his 2-day ride along. I also got another guy coming out for a ride along next month, Ray. I got to reach out to him. We went out this morning, did a consultation in Gainesville. He booked on the spot, screen, recoat, UV cure with the countertops. And then also, guys, if you look behind me, I picked up my other van last night. They got wrapped as well, so I got both of my vans rewrapped. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Braselton, Georgia. All right, beautiful area. And there's my small wrap. All right, got that back last night. Shout out to Art Del Signs. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And it also matches my big wrap, and I am happy with it. All right, guys, let me show you what we got going. 704 square feet. It's just one big room. So we've already got the wax removal equipment set up. We want to start emulsifying, let Al do some wax removal. So these are the floors that we're doing. Miss Terry has all the furniture moved out the way. The only thing that most people, I've had one guy in 12 years since I've been doing wood floors, move a piano. So we're gonna go around the piano. So these are the, okay. So these are the floors that we're doing. They got some wax on them. So we already got our emulsifier mixed up. Okay, so we're gonna start removing the wax around here, and then also these granite countertops. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Braselton breeze in the air. Yeah. Baltimore in the ride. We don't just coat floors, we restore pride. Pulled up clean, new Clyde, first impression strong. Ooh. Wax on the floor, but it won't be long. Ooh. Strip that pillow, let the real wood breathe. Ah. Preparation first, that's the Truman Creed. Oh. Screen run smooth, let the buffer glide. Oh. Fresh coat laid down, clarity amplified. Oh. Then that UV light hit, same day shine, protect secure. Granite tops look tired, that glow. Polish bring it back like a stone got soul. Edges crisp, reflection tight. Oh. Countertops shining under kitchen lights. Oh. Out from Baltimore, watching every move. Right along, soaking up the groove, learning the game, seeing how we flow. From wax removal to a granite glow. Shine don't lie, shine don't lie. When the work done right, come off, UV, bring the light, from the floors to the stone, we restore that tone. Braselton glow, now the house feel home. Shine don't lie, when the prep done clean, screen and recoat, make the hardwood gleam. Right along dream, now he see the vision clear, from Baltimore down to Georgia here. Preparation is power. Ooh. Process is profit. Whoa. Ride along today, lead you on tomorrow. Yeah. Braselton, Georgia. Baltimore in a ride. New client, fresh start. Yeah, that work. All I need is a buffer and a pad real smooth. Wax coming off, let the hardwood breathe too. Screen glide clean, let the surface reset. Lay that coat down, that protection gets set. UV hit fast, that light don't play. Instant cure, shine same day, okay. Granite tiles though, nah, not tonight. Polish, bring it back, now the stone look right. Baltimore out, riding shotgun seat. Learning how we prep, how we move our feet. From wax removal to that countertop gleam. It's more than a job, this a business machine. All I need is the prep done right. UV light, made on site. All I need is a screen and coat, granite glow. Now the whole house float. From Baltimore to Georgia lines. Ride along today. Lead your own ground.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Look at Mrs. Terry Floors. Miss Terry, I ain't gonna put you on camera, because you probably don't want to be on camera. Oh, she said she don't care. Well, Miss Terry, tell us about the services today.
It looks wonderful. A great improvement from what I had.
Thank you.
Sure.
And she loved her countertops.
Yes.
Guys, look at that glare through the countertops. So today, guys, what we did, you saw we did a wax removal, screen, recoat, UV cure, and her floors are 25 years old. First time they have been professionally touched, and that makes me feel even better. So I thank Miss Terry again. They're gonna have the furniture back on the floors today. Oh, and Miss Terry, you go ahead and let up Trevor?
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead and let him up.
Let me ask, you want to finish that and then I'll ask.
Yeah, okay, about the vents, yeah. Yeah, okay. Now, Miss Trevor has, not Miss Trevor, Miss Terry has a dog named Trevor, and we want to show you guys.
Come on, let's see Papa. Come on.
Trevor's about to come on the floor. So this is one of the biggest
Papa. Come on.
benefits of the UV. Trevor is 8 years old. He's a good dog too.
He's got some little booties.
Oh, he do? Well, he has some booties on, but he could. Hey, Trevor, what's up, man? So Trevor is on the floor. So Miss Terry got him some booties on. He got his socks on. All right, guys. So they're gonna have the furniture back today. Trevor is actually on the floors, and the floors look amazing.
You want to see Papa? Come here.
Uh-oh, he's going outside.
Door open.
All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.